Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a field required in a Power App Canvas app based on the value of another field. For this demo, I have already created a Canvas app named as Account Test. Now preview this app. If I selected yes in this Account Test field, the account number field become required. Now I will explain how we can achieve this. Now go back. First click on account number field. You will notice it is locked. Let's unlock it. So on the right hand side under the properties, click on advanced and then click to lock to unlock the field. Now the field is unlocked and from here you can change the property to required. Next we will add the formula. Hand select the account test field and scroll down on the sitemap. So copy its name. Click on account number field again in the app. Set the required property formula as if data card value 9 dot selected dot value equal to true comma true comma false and then close the bracket. So what is this formula doing here? If check a condition, if it is true do something and if it is false do something else. And data card value 9, this is the name of the field control we are checking, in this case account test. And dot selected, this refer to what the user has chosen in that field. Dot value, this gets the actual value selected item like yes or no. And equal true, we are checking if the selected value is true. And true or false, if the condition is true make the field required, if it is false don't make it is required. Now preview the app. So change the account test field to yes. You will see account number field is now required. Change account test back to no and you will see the account number field is no longer required. So in this video we covered how to make a field required in Power App Canvas app based on the value of another field. Thanks for watching.